Hey gardeners, you already seen our sweet potato harvest in our last video. So today you're going to be seeing us harvest all the ginger out of the garden as well. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. Yeah.
Because I was afraid they weren't going to be big enough.
Yeah. We're gonna see. Follow, don't you get in front of my video.
That's good compost too.
Yeah.
What'd you say though?
That fake ass turmeric plant over here.
It's not fake.
That shit, it don't never come out as turmeric.
It's just small, babe. That's all.
Okay.
It's Mother Nature, man. You gotta respect the cycle.
I let that shit grow in that other bed and it came out to be nuts.
You gotta respect the cycle, babe.
That's it.
Yeah. Smell like ginger?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right, I'll be back. I got two.
Okay. Alrighty, we done cut down the top part of the ginger, cut it all the way down, and now it's ready to be pulled. Let's see what we can harvest out of here. First pull.
Hell yeah.
That boy grew some ginger.
We got a lot there. That's what we working with.
Yeah. This gonna be plenty enough. I'm so excited.
Yeah, be careful pulling them, because they could be deeper than you think sometimes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Can you smell it?
Or maybe
I can
smell the
smell it.
stems. You smell the stems?
Yeah, I smell it. You just gotta spray them off.
Yeah.
With the water hose. Remember, like I said, you might need to dig under it. Don't just pull it from the top. It might be more than you think sometimes. That dirt. Oh my God, that dirt looks good, boy. I wish I could scoop this shit out and use it everywhere else. Yeah. See?
Yeah.
There's a little piece in there.
The old, like, little starter.
Yep. We can use those.
I think you covered up that whole little shot, but it's okay.
Oh, my bad. I didn't know you was recording.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's alright. That's a
That was
terrible.
when I was like, what you looking at?
That's a terrible angle.
No, that's good. Yeah, you see that whole thing? Like it's trying to move.
It's like
Yeah,
it's
so
hard
you got
to
to
get.
dig up under there and lift up. Dig under it
I know, babe. I know. I got these
with
nails
both
on.
hands. With both hands.
Fuck, so we put 'em there.
Get up under it. Get up under it. There you go.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
We got plenty of ginger, dog.
Feel like when your mama picked it.
Hey,
They said he wanted to add a ginger,
we got it.
and you got it.
Smoothie time.
Word. Yeah, we gotta get back on that.
I want my extra ginger.
Follow over. Extra ginger. Hello.
Well, you don't know where your dog went.
I'm telling you. Brother, you don't want me no more? You won't be out here no more, Rella? All right, y'all, that pretty much wrap up the harvest that we have for our sweet potatoes and the ginger we got today. To be honest, I'm very excited with what we was able to harvest. This is our first ginger harvest ever, and I am more than happy with what we were able to get. And it was also our first sweet potato harvest, so I feel like we're just learning as we go. But thanks for watching. Bye, guys.